Seventh order of the day, honorable members, is commencement of debate on the general principles of a bill for an act to establish the Nigerian Air Force Institute of Technology to provide technical training to personnel of the Nigerian Air Force and other services of the Nigerian Armed Forces and for other matters connected therewith. Honorable members will recall that the bill was read the first time on Thursday, 10th December 2015. Now I invite Honorable Samson Oku to move that the bill be now read a second time.
President of the Federal Constituency of Benue State, I move that a bill for an act to establish Nigeria Air Force Institute of Technology to provide technical training to personnel of Nigeria Air Force and other services of Nigeria Armed Forces and other connected purposes, HB 313, be read for second time.
Mr. Speaker, sir, for yielding the floor to me, Ned Nailedu, KJ, member representing Bende Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm from Abia State. I rise to second the motion is moved by Honorable Samson Oku. I so second.
Member representative of the Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleague, this bill seeks to establish a body to be known as Air Force Institute of Technology, with a corporate body and perpetual succession and common seal. The objective of the institute is to expose each of these students to a broad and balanced curriculum in order to meet higher level maintenance and capability locally for aviation, aerospace, specialty for Nigeria Air Force, other services of Nigeria Armed Forces, government agencies and related organizations in Nigeria, as well as African countries and people of other nationalities. Mr. Speaker, this bill is to expand the horizon of indigenous research and development efforts through the provisions of conducive atmosphere and infrastructure that will promote cooperation and collaboration with similar institutions within and outside Nigeria. This bill again seeks to prepare Nigeria Air Force personnel, those of the other sister services of Nigeria Armed Forces, Nigeria and military personnel from Africa countries to a brighter post-services employment as a means of enhancing their integration to a civil society and broadening the technical manpower of aviation industry, and is to create a world-class center of excellence in aerospace and aeronautical engineering through the innovation of high-class facilities and multidisciplinary research approach. The bill seeks to enhance the performance of Nigeria Air Force, to comfort the ongoing fight against terrorism in the country, and also to reduce the huge foreign exchange that is spent for foreign trainings. Mr. Speaker, in Nigeria right now, we found that most of the training that Air Force personnel go through, they all went outside the country, and we need to establish an institute that will encourage other countries to come and do research in our country. So, Honorable Speaker, my dear colleague, I wish to state at this juncture that this bill is very critical in our effort to enhance the performance of Nigeria Air Force. It is instructive to note that the bill, there's a need to build the capacity of Nigeria Air Force and cannot gainsay. I therefore call on every honorable member in this chamber to support the passage of this bill with the speed of light. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Say aye. Those against it say nay. Ayes have it. Clerk is invited to read the long title of the bill.
For an act to establish Nigerian Air Force Institute of Technology to provide technical training to personnel of Nigerian Air Force and other services of Nigerian Armed Forces and for other military purposes. Second reading.